Alrighty guys, here we go. We got 2019 Leaf Mini Helmet 2-box break number 4 from eBay. Here's your spots. Scott B with the Saints, Ted W with the Falcons, Christopher S with the Skins, Titans, and Steelers, Chris M with the Bucks, Panthers, Texans, and Jaguars, Michael D, Lions, Patriots, Colts, Rams, Matthew F, the Raiders, Joshua G, the Vikings and Chiefs, Joanna with the Eagles, David K, 49ers and Seahawks, Lopez, the Jets, Jim Gay, the Browns and Ravens, Randy C of the Giants, Bengals, and Cardinals, Teddy with the Broncos and Dolphins, Michael C with the Chargers, Corey with the Cowboys, Darian with the Bills. Alright, appreciate you guys filling this up. And good luck. Too many helmets coming up. Right, first helmet for the Texans, Deshaun Watson. Nice hit for the Texans, Chris Mallory. And helmet number 2, boom, son. For the Cardinals, Randy Cavender, Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray and Deshaun Watson. It doesn't get much better than that, guys. Congrats on the hits. Appreciate you guys filling it up. I'll see you guys later.